Katsel. O Katselang. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Cheesecake.
We've all heard that if you could win the morning, you could win the day. One of the ways to doing that is to create regular rituals and routines so you don't have to think about what you need to do. And if you can set up routines and habits, especially early in the day, you could benefit from this science of momentum and create positive momentum as opposed to being reactive.
Beautiful people, welcome back. So today guys, I just wanted to show you a day in the life of an entrepreneur, of my life. I've never showed you guys what I do in a day, so I thought today is a perfect day to show you what I do because I have a lot to do. I have a meeting at 11:30. I have to check on my flyers and my business cards for my business, so there's a lot to do. So I just want to take you guys around with me so that you can see what we do in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you guys later. So we're here and let's get ready. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go guys.
And killers be, and I ain't spending a minute. How many minutes? 2 minutes. Okay, it's fine. Thank you. We need a snack. Something going 2 minutes and I would.
You're not sure about the 2 minutes?
Yeah, minute 25 past this 23 minutes past. Please make the stickers logo the same as the flyers. Design your space on top and logo small. Shoot 'em shoot.
Hi guys, welcome back to Design Your Space by Thando.
Hello guys. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hello guys.
Yeah. That's okay.
Hello guys.
Okay, so we're gonna play a game called Pass the Ox, just to have some fun in the car. I've never done this type of video before. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do, and also subscribe to the channel. So we're gonna play some music and get this party started. So yeah, so he's gonna play his song and I'm gonna play my song, and you guys are gonna rate which one is the nicest.
Yeah.
Like he's a spawner guy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin.
Yeah, so this is my track. It's called Africa to the World mixed by Sanel musician. Enjoy. That's deep house for you guys. If you don't understand, it's fine.
No.
You'll understand one day.
No, let's go to something else.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so this is my jam. La Lela.
No, this is my playlist.
Ay.
The playlist jam.
Ay.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine.
Hey, this is my jam, guys. Woo! Katel. Oh, Katelang. Nine. Cheesecake. Hi guys, welcome back to Design Your Space Luxury Candles. So today guys, it's shipping day and I just want to show you what I do as an entrepreneur when it comes to shipping. I have 2 orders going to Cape Town and Durban, so I'm just going to take you guys along. This is going to be a vlog, and if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and also share my videos. We are all about entrepreneur life, business talk and money, guys. So I just wanted to tell you that I have started a new skincare line or skincare product. This is how it looks. It's called it's actually a whipped shea butter cream. So these are going off the shelves, guys, and I'm really excited. So I'm shipping some things today. I just want to show you, tag along with me, and yeah, let's do this, guys. I'll see you just now. I think it's that side. Okay, so guys, we are done shipping the orders, and the next thing is just to go back home and pack some more. So yeah, that's just about my day today, and I think I need more shipping boxes, so I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna go somewhere else to get more boxes. So if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like and comment. You know how we do this, guys. I'll see you just now.